The CARPUJECT syringe drug delivery system consists of pre-filled cartridges that are loaded into a syringe holder. The reusable holder is designed to help provide stability during injection. The CARPUJECT syringe system offers a broad product portfolio of analgesics and other therapeutic drugs. The ready-to-load SLIM-PAK cartridge may save valuable time in drug preparation and help prevent drug diversion. The SLIM-PAK cartridge comes enclosed in a quick-remove sheath that has a tamper-evident adhesive seal designed to indicate any unit dose level access and a tamper-resistant metal end tip to avert needle access prior to opening. Product labeling and unit-of-use barcoding on the cartridge may help prevent medication errors and help facilitate tracking, billing, and loss prevention. Before loading the cartridge into the holder, please remove the outer sheath of the SLIM-PAK from the cartridge. Grasp the holder with the open side facing you and pull the white plunger rod back until it clicks. Turn the blue handle to the left counterclockwise 180 degrees until it clicks. Insert the cartridge in the holder by placing the end with the plunger in the holder first. Ensure that the cartridge lays flat. To engage, screw the white plunger rod onto the plunger until you feel a slight resistance. Turn the blue handle to the right clockwise 180 degrees until it clicks. It's important to note that this step creates an open fluid pathway. Therefore, the drug must be used or discarded after this step. Remove and discard green lure cap. Do not touch the lure end of the syringe. Expel air as needed. Administer prescribed dose. To disengage the cartridge, hold the CARPUJECT holder with the open side facing you and unscrew the white plunger rod. Pull the white plunger rod back until it clicks. Turn the blue handle to the left counterclockwise 180 degrees until it clicks. Do not recap the cartridge. Slide the cartridge towards the blue handle. Invert the holder to remove the cartridge. Discard the used cartridge in a sharps container. Save the holder to use with the next medication cartridge as desired. For reuse of the holder between patients, wipe all surfaces with a disinfecting wipe, such as a super SaniCloth germicidal disposable wipe or chemical equivalent. Do not reuse the holder if there is visible soiling. The CARPUJECT holder should be used only with the CARPUJECT cartridge. If you have any questions about the CARPUJECT syringe system, please contact your Pfizer sales representative or visit PfizerHospitalUS.com/CARPUJECT. Please see the instructions for use for CARPUJECT in the description below and at PfizerCarpuject.com/IFU. Start an order by contacting your Pfizer sales representative or visit PfizerHospitalUS.com.